The government has convened a meeting of all stakeholders of edible and petroleum oil industries on Tuesday, April 4, to resolve a long-standing taxation issue threatening disruption of the countrywide supply chain every 3 to 6 months. Those called to attend the crucial session include provincial authorities and representatives of oil marketing companies, Oil Tankers Association, and the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority (OGRA). The meeting was arranged after the Oil Tankers Contractors Association threatened to go on a countrywide strike against double taxation. The last week announced that it was going on strike against a problematic levy of sales tax on services by the provinces, but had called it off at the 11th hour after the Petroleum and Natural Resources Ministry assured the association that it would help resolve the issue with the provincial governments. The federal government was alarmed when the office bearers reported that some key cities had stocks of petroleum products for only 4 to 6 days, and a strike could immediately break down the supply chain and cause public unrest. The chief executive officer of the oil company's advisory council, dispelled the impression on Sunday that there was any threat to petroleum product supplies. He told Dawn that sufficient stocks were available and were making all-out efforts to ensure their availability throughout the country. He confirmed that the Petroleum Ministry and OGRA had called all stakeholders, including the on Tuesday to find a solution to the petroleum. He appealed to the refrain from taking extreme steps like strike because sincere and genuine efforts were being made by the government to ensure smooth movement of petroleum products. The Sindh government was the first to bring oil tankers under the ambit of sales tax on services, followed by Punjab, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Sources said the federal government had previously engaged the 4 provincial chief secretaries, the federal finance secretary and the chairman of the Federal Board of Revenue (FBR), but the issue remained unresolved. The provinces were, nevertheless, persuaded to keep postponing the collection of sales tax for oil tankers. Worried that the tax liability could be claimed by the provincial tax authorities anytime, had engaged an independent consultant, who also reportedly advised the association that unless the issue was resolved through legal means, the tax authorities could raise invoices.